Hello, how are you? In this video tutorial we will see how to find and visualize the statistics of our campaigns and messages in the LabsMobile platform. As usual, we access the main screen and go to the Statistics, Messages section. In this screen you will see the different fields by which you can select and filter the messages that will be taken into account in the resulting statistics or reports. One of the main filters to take into account is the start and end date that will indicate the period of the messages sent. And from here, other fields can be added to further filter and refine the search for messages, such as sender, destination countries, by campaign, and along etc. At the bottom of this form you can configure the type of result with graphs, data tables, credits, and click information. In addition, you can also configure the different sections of the statistics. It is very important to perform an appropriate search according to the results you want to obtain. When clicking on Show, the platform will be asked to request the data. In the case of a basic query, the statistics will be displayed in a few seconds. However, if a mass sending request has been made, the calculation of statistics may require more calculation time. In this case, you can see at the bottom the different requests made in the last 48 hours, and when they are ready, you can view or print them. Let's view the statistics that have been previously consulted. Here we see the result or statistics report, according to the filters that have been previously established. The first part of the report is made up of the 6 basic indexes on deliverability, times, and clicks. Subsequently, the different sections are shown with graphs and data table according to day, hour, month, sender, destination country, state, and along etc. All this data will be useful to know the success or result of any communication or campaign. Being able to compare these results with new sendings. It is very important the section of messages sent by engagement, that shows in the form of a funnel the quality of the database, and the loyalty of the recipients. Finally, this report can be saved by exporting the statistics in a PDF file. And that's how simple it is to view your SMS campaign statistics in the LabsMobile platform. Remember that you can also view the results and main statistics of your mass sendings in the campaign screen. In addition, in the search SMS, you will get the data and status, message by message. All this is explained in other video tutorials. We encourage you to watch them. We hope this tutorial will be very useful for you to measure and improve your sendings based on the results obtained. Thank you, and best regards.